Hey everybody, how's it going? It's JR. I'm here with Peanut at the car wash. I know I said earlier that I was going to go ahead and send the heads out to have them cut, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I put a straight edge on them and they're pretty flat. I called my local machine shop. They wanted $55 per head to cut them down. Piston to valve clearance is going to become an issue. So I really don't want to get into all that, especially I'm going to have a turbo on it eventually anyway, so probably next year. I think I'm just going to clean them up and send them on their way. So let me show you what we got going on here, how I've been doing this. Tommy Sloppy is the next guy. There's some things that are a bit too much, but but $30 for hot tanking just didn't seem like the way to go. So I took some diesel fuel, stuffed it out, see it all over the place. Put that in there. And then spraying this and rinsing and repeating until all my stuff's gone. I'm here at the car wash. I think you get where this is going. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you back when we're actually blasting it out so you can see how it works. You see there's a ton of stuff coming out already, so it should be, 90% effective as a hot tank. Alright, so let's see what we got. For one thing, I blasted half my sweet VHT paint off. It cleaned everything around the valve stem seals. These were all carboned up around this base. I actually just twisted them off with my fingers. They were pretty gnarly. Inside there, it's a little bit difficult. It's a lot cleaner. Everything left I can just bust off with my finger. It got probably 80% of it, I'd say, maybe more. Oh, there's a big piece of crap. But I mean, before I couldn't even see the valve seats. I didn't even know what they looked like. So all in all, for an investment of like $4 plus 50 cents worth of diesel that I aren't going to use anyway, I'd have to call this one a win, folks. Probably would have worked better if I'd let it sit a little longer. But you get the picture. There's one way you can save a little money on your build. Skip the hot tank.